Are you currently here in Portugal or are you planning to relocate soon? Are you looking for a job? If yes, then this video is for you. But before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow my Facebook page. If you have inquiries about the job seeker visa, please feel free to reach out. To connect with others who has job seeker visa or those in the process of obtaining one, you can join this group. Our company is a global gaming studio and we have 40 studios around the globe. I am the recruiter of our studio here in Braga, Portugal. We specialize in game localization and localization quality assurance. In simple terms, we translate the games from the original language into various different languages like Arabic, French, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, Chinese, you name it. Then after that, our LQA team will test the translation of the games. And this is where you come in. We are looking for a game testers and no experience is required. We will train you. All you have to do is to pass the language requirement test and pass the language interview, then you're all set. To qualify, you must be inside Portugal upon applying, and of course, you must have the right to work in Portugal. Visit our website to see all the job vacancies, select Portugal, and you will see all the job vacancies that we are hiring right now. I already posted this job vacancy on my Facebook page. If you'd like to keep updated, follow and like my Facebook page. Share this with your friends for wider reach. Comment if you have any questions. Goodbye.